Today we shall start the next part of the chapter map reading. Elements of a map. To be able to read a map, we must understand the elements of a map. Directions. Directions are the basic guidelines that help us to locate places. Therefore, it is very important for us to know the correct directions. We know that east, west, north and south are the four cardinal directions. On a map, the top shows the north, the bottom is the south, east is on the right and west lies on the left. These directions help us to locate places on the map. Besides these, there are four sub-directions: northeast, southeast, northwest and southwest. Compass is an instrument that helps to locate the directions. It looks quite similar to a watch. So directions are the basic guidelines that help us to locate places. So if you want to locate places, you have to know the direction. So directions, the correct directions will locate you the places. So it is very important. The four cardinal directions are north, south, east, west. See in the map, see at the top is the north, this is the south, in the right hand is the east and the left hand is the west, and in between are the sub directions. This is the northeast, this is the southeast, this is southwest and this is northwest. Again I am telling, at the top is the north, at the down is the south, right is the east and left is the west, and in between them are the sub directions: the northeast, the southeast, southwest and northwest. And compass is the instrument that locates the direction. If you have a compass, then it will be easy for you to locate the direction, because compass always shows the directions towards it is always pointed in the north direction. So when you place it wherever you are, if you do not know where you are, you place it, it will point out to the north, then you can locate your place where you are. Signs and symbols. Places, geographical features and various other things are shown on a map through small images or icons of different shapes, sizes and colors. They are called signs or symbols. So to know the places, the geographical features and various other things on a map, there are small images that in different shapes and sizes and colors. They are known as symbols and or signs. So some of the symbols are shown below. See, these are the the lines. First you see the lines: international boundary, state boundary, national highway, state highway, broad gauge railway, meter or narrow gauge railway, sea route, coastline, rivers, intermittent river, fall dam. So these are the signs by which you can know all these lines. Then point: settlement, forests, grass, tree, bathymetric contour, pass, desert, lake, reservoir, intermittent lake. Then shapes: capital of country, headquarters of district, other towns, mountain height. Then is the color. See, there are different colors for the height of the sea level and the depth of the sea level here. and letters or alphabetical symbols, islands, IS, post office PO, police station PS, and telegraph office TO. So you have to memorize and practice in your home these signs and symbols, so that when in a map it will be given, you have to point out. Symbols on a map stands for different features on it. They help in understanding the locations of different places. So these are the different places and features. By knowing or by practicing these features, these signs and symbols, you can understand them and can mark on the or point out on the map.